Alright, this is how we gonna flush our trans out here, man. Get 11 millimeter. That sucker on there. It's gonna be like Pepto-Bismol. Flush it out, man. And this is the check bolt up there. When it's nice and hot, you pull the sucker out and let it drain out until it starts dribbling out. Alright, it's all drained out now. I'm gonna fill her up. Alright, there's a black cap right down there. Pull that sucker off. The funnel in it. Like that. And fill it up. Alright, now I let these things run usually for like 5 minutes when they're flooded like that. You just flush off the trans fluid. You do another drain fill on it. You just keep on doing it until it's clean. Alright, this thing ran for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna drain it out. Do it again. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, it's still pretty pink looking. I'll probably have to do it quite a few more times. Yeah, that's nasty. Alright, time to check the trans level. Make sure it's at where it needs to be. Bust this 11 millimeter loose. Trans up to at least 185 degrees. Let this fluid come out. Just like that.